Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Salesloft call outcomes syncing with CRM step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesloft account. Navigate to the Settings menu on the left sidebar. Once in Settings, locate and click on the Integrations tab. In the Integrations section, find the CRM integration option that matches your current CRM system. Click on the Manage button for that integration. You will see an option for call outcomes or similar settings. Select the option to edit or update call outcomes. Review the current settings and ensure they reflect your desired call outcome categories. If necessary, add or modify any call outcomes to match your team's requirements. Make sure to save any changes made to the call outcomes. Next, go back to the main settings page. Look for the Sync Settings or similar section related to synchronization with your CRM. Verify that the call outcome syncing option is enabled. If it is not enabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. To finalize, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. After saving, navigate back to your Salesloft dashboard. Initiate a test call to confirm that the updated call outcomes are syncing correctly with your CRM. Monitor the CRM to check if the call outcomes appear as expected. Repeat the process if you encounter any issues during synchronization. Ensure regular checks on the integration settings as CRM updates may affect syncing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.